I've read 50 of the best books about money and wealth, and after absorbing thousands of pages of knowledge, I can confidently say most people remain poor because they don't understand these fundamental principles. But today, I am going to reveal the 15 biggest lessons that will actually make you rich. And the best part? You can start applying them right now. If you want your financial future to be different from your present, watch until the end, because lesson 15 might be the one thing missing to unlock your wealth. And of course, at the end of the video, I'll reveal which of the 50 books I actually recommend. Before we begin, comment below, which money book have you read? I want to see if you're on the right track. The first lesson comes from Secrets of the Millionaire Mind and Think and Grow Rich. Your financial mindset defines your success. The rich think big, take bold actions, and see opportunities where others see obstacles. If you believe that money is hard to get, or that only privileged people become rich, you are already sabotaging yourself. Change your mindset about money. Start seeing yourself as a wealth creator, not just someone who earns a paycheck. Adopt an abundance mentality and focus on solutions, not limitation. The second topic talks about a crucial concept from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The difference between assets and liabilities. Poor people spend money on things that only bring expenses, like expensive cars, designer clothes, and the latest smartphones. The rich invest in assets that generate more money, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. If you want to build wealth, always ask yourself, does this make me money or take money away from me? If it takes money and is not essential, think twice before buying. Turn your spending into investments. The third lesson comes from the psychology of money. The best way to accumulate wealth is to save money as if it doesn't exist. Automate your savings and investments. If the money is visible and accessible, the temptation to spend it is huge. Set up an automatic transfer every month to an investment account or emergency fund. If you do this consistently, your wealth will grow without you even noticing. And in the long run, you'll have a solid financial foundation. The fourth topic is from Your Money or Your Life. Small daily expenses slowly destroy your wealth. That daily coffee shop visit, unused subscription services, constant food delivery orders. All these added up can cost thousands of dollars over the years. Cut out invisible expenses and redirect that money towards something that truly adds value to your life. Instead of wasting money on impulsive purchases, use those funds for an investment or education that can generate a higher financial return in the future. The fifth lesson comes from the Millionaire Fastlane. Cutting expenses is important, but you won't get rich just by saving. The rich earn more, invest more, and multiply their income. Focusing only on saving without increasing your sources of income is a mistake. Instead of only worrying about saving pennies, think about how you can earn more money. Invest in learning, skills, and new opportunities to increase your income. Work on expanding your financial flow. The sixth topic is from The Intelligent Investor. Investing is a patience game. The ones who get rich aren't those trying to make quick money and taking big risks, but those who build wealth consistently over time. The power of compound interest is incredibly strong, but it only works for those who have patience. Invest regularly and let time do the work. Money grows exponentially when applied correctly. The key to financial success is starting early and being consistent. The seventh lesson comes from I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Lack of financial knowledge is the biggest enemy of wealth. Many people don't know how to manage money because they were never taught. Learning about finances should be a continuous habit. Those who understand how money works can multiply it, while those who ignore the rules of the game end up losing everything. Read books, follow experts, and apply the knowledge in practice. Those who understand money make money. Set aside time every week to learn something new about investments, taxes, and financial planning. The 8th lesson comes from multiple streams of income. Relying on only one source of income is a huge risk. The wealthy create multiple income streams to protect and grow their wealth. If you depend solely on your salary, you are one step away from financial trouble if anything happens. Look for new income opportunities such as online businesses, investments, freelancing, or even a temporary second job. The more income sources you have, the more financial stability and freedom you will achieve. The 9th lesson comes from the Total Money Makeover. Debt can be a powerful tool, but if not managed well, it can destroy your financial life. The wealthy use debt strategically to leverage investments, while the poor drown in credit card interest and unnecessary loans. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts as quickly as possible. Whenever possible, avoid installment purchases and try to negotiate better terms for your loans. Controlled debt means more money available to invest in your future. The 10th lesson comes from never eat alone. Your social circle directly influences your financial opportunities. The right relationships can open incredible doors, connect you with investors, mentors, and new business opportunities. Surround yourself with people who think big and want to grow. Attend events, talk to entrepreneurs, and always work on expanding your network. Financial opportunities often arise from a good connection. The 11th lesson comes from atomic habits. Small daily changes accumulate extraordinary results over time. You don't need to revolutionize your financial life overnight, but rather develop consistent habits that will lead you to wealth. Start small. Set aside a fixed amount every month to invest, track your expenses weekly, and make more conscious financial decisions. Small habits create great fortunes. The 12th lesson comes from the simple path to wealth. Millionaires understand that wealth is not built overnight. Most people give up too soon, expecting immediate results. They see minor setbacks as failures instead of part of the journey. The reality is that those who build long-term wealth are those who stay consistent through the ups and downs. Invest for the long term, stick to a consistent plan, and don't panic over market fluctuations. Patience and persistence are the secrets to building wealth. Those who panic and pull out investments during downturns often miss the biggest recoveries. The ones who stay the course see their fortunes grow over time. The 13th lesson comes from the richest man in Babylon. Always set aside at least 10% of what you earn to invest. This simple rule can transform your financial future and ensure that your money is always growing. Many people struggle with saving because they treat investing as an afterthought instead of a priority. By automating savings and investments, you create a financial safety net and an opportunity for exponential growth. Make it a habit to pay yourself first before any other expense. Set up an automatic investment so that this percentage is directed toward growing your wealth. Over time, as your income increases, consider increasing this percentage. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest, which is one of the most powerful forces in wealth building. The 14th lesson comes from the Millionaire Fastlane. Many people fall into the trap of trying shortcuts to wealth, such as pyramid schemes, gambling, and high-risk investments. The real secret to wealth lies in building solid, long-term assets. Get-rich-quick schemes prey on people's desperation and impatience, promising unrealistic returns in a short period. However, the most successful individuals accumulate wealth steadily by making calculated, strategic decisions. Be wary of anything that promises easy money. True wealth comes from discipline, strategy, and time. Instead of looking for shortcuts, focus on proven strategies. The most successful people invest in businesses, real estate, stocks, and skills that provide long-term value. Slow and steady wins the race, while reckless attempts to get rich fast often lead to massive losses. The 15th and final lesson comes from your money or your life. There is no point in accumulating money if your health is in ruins. Financial stress can lead to health problems, and an overwhelmed mind makes bad decisions. Many high achievers neglect their physical and mental well-being while chasing wealth, only to realize later that poor health diminishes their ability to enjoy financial success. Burnout, anxiety, and stress can lead to financial mistakes, impulsive spending, and even costly medical expenses. Take care of your physical and mental health as part of your financial planning. A healthy mind makes better financial decisions. After all, true wealth is not just about money, it's about having the time, energy, and freedom to enjoy it. If you are serious about improving your financial knowledge and transforming your wealth, out of all the 50 money books I've read, I recommend these: Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, The Millionaire Fastlane by DeMarco, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki, Atomic Habits by James Clear, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey to financial freedom, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Midas Touch. See you in the next video, and remember, your financial future depends on the choices you make today.